Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here and I'm back. So I know half of y'all probably who wear masks have some masks just like this and thing. So these masks was made for me by my auntie. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you um how to wash these, especially if they're white and black. So what you're gonna take a nice size container with water in it, warm water at that, and a little bit of your washing powder. It can be washing powder or washing liquid, not the washing liquid you use to wash dishes with. Washing liquid that you clothes washing liquid you use for the washing machine to wash the clothes with. So you're going to take that. So I'm going to show you. So we're going to take these and we're going to wash these. One is newer and I just want to, and I pre-wash everything before I use them. So I know my aunt, she used a lining when she makes the mask. So she makes mostly the mask for family members. And you just put the whole thing in there. And what you're doing, you're washing them. And this is how I wash them. Same thing, especially when I get a new one, I wash them. I hand wash them. And these are two different sizes because we have to go through two different sizes for me. So yeah. But yeah, this is all you do. So yeah. And what I'll do is I will take them and I'll put them where the dryer is, and I will literally let them dry. That's it. That's all you would need for this. Yeah, so if you're looking for a way to wash your face mask you use daily or anything, or your fabric face mask, yes, this is how I wash them. So that's all I have time for. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my